Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making peanut bar candy. So for this recipe we just need two ingredients. We need 1 liter sugar and peanuts. I'm using roasted salted peanuts for this recipe. So in the pan you want to make sure the heat is on medium heat. Add half a cup of sugar and just keep stirring it until the sugar melts and the color changes to a caramelized or dark brown color. You want to make sure the heat is on medium and keep stirring. This took about 5 to 7 minutes while stirring it on medium heat. So just give it a stir, keep stirring until the sugar is completely melted. You can see the color has changed right now. It's dark brown. This is the color you want to achieve for this peanut bar candy. And when it's brown, I'm adding crushed peanuts. So you want to make sure the peanuts are crushed. You crush them in a ziplock bar and make sure they are crushed into tiny pieces, and then you add it to the sugar and just keep stirring it as well. Continue stirring. You can see it's mixed up together. The color is changing. When you notice the color is changing, you have to take it off the fire. So in your working space, add a little bit of oil, and you want to transfer this peanut bar immediately from the pan. If not, it will stick to the pan. So when you transfer it, it's quite hot. Make sure not to get it to your hand, and use a rolling pin to just roll it out to the desired shape you want it to be. So I'm just rolling it out on my working table. Meanwhile, it's still hot. You want to make sure you're careful not to burn your hand with the peanut bar. So while you finish rolling, I'm just cutting it into bits. You cut it into the shape you want. So I'm just cutting it into a straight. I'm just making a straight line here. I'm removing the edges as well. You can see I'm just taking out the edges that I don't need. So I'm cutting it into the shape I want. You can cut it into whatever shape you want to. If this is your first time visiting my page, please hit the subscribe button. Support me by hitting the subscribe button and click on the notification bar to get new notifications. I upload new recipes every Tuesdays, Thursday and Saturday. While cutting this, you want to make sure you don't put them together. I realized that after putting them together, they get sticky and they can easily join back together. So make sure to put them in separate places as you're cutting it, and that will make sure they stay on their own and they get cooled down completely before you heat them. So this is how the peanut bar looks like. They look good, they have that dark brown color and they look yummy.